And it's back to back here. So, if you guys ever want to figure out how to, I guess, replace one of these little things, you know, the little lifters that be collapsing, BMW, I believe this is the X5 with the 3.0 motor, non-turbo. Well, I made a little tool, you know, with a simple strap, wrapped it around the spring, and you pretty much just pull the spring down like so, and you can literally get down to remove or replace the springs inside of it. See? Pretty simple. No special tool needed. Simple as that. Yes.